Hello, I'm Chris from the US, and now I'm going to show you my final project, which is the mechanical properties calculator. First, you gotta run the program. So it's going to appear a user interface with some options that you can choose. First, we are going to calculate stress and deformation of different materials according to a database. We put one. We have to input some parameters like the applied force in newtons. Let's say it's 30 square meters, or in meters, let's say 2 meters. Material name, as I mentioned before, we have predetermined the material database. So let's put steel, and it shows the results for steel with the stress in megapascals, which is corresponding value, deformation, Young's modulus, and yield strength too. Then we can display the material properties with option 2. This is the material database with all the properties, and the good thing about the program is that you can expand the database, which you have to select the option 3 to add a new material. The name of the new material can be rock, and you have to input the parameters of that material in order to add it. Let's say 3 gigapascals and 200 megapascals. Then the new material rock is added to the database. To check this, we can display again the material properties, and it appears the following table. And at the last element here, it's rock added. The fourth option is to exit the program because it prompts the user every time you select an option. And you select option 4, exiting the program, goodbye. Thank you all for your attention.